So Roush has this speed shop I noticed. So on this episode of Build Your Own, we're going to talk about this Roush speed shop really quick and getting stuff hooked up there. Why? I'm going to tell you why right now because I just did this article on my website, right? I'm just really getting into this. I happen to be, I've did marketing for a bunch of years. That's why I can just put up a website in 2 seconds. But anyway, I'm just having fun with it. I'm just really having fun with it. And I wanted to do this article on Rouse superchargers, right? So way down here at the bottom of this article, I'm going to put a link up so if you want to read this article because it's really good. But way down here under installs on, the cost to install a Rouse supercharger and all that stuff and where to get it done. And I even go into Roush problems, but where to get it done. That's when I discovered that, yeah, you could get it done at the dealers, at different Ford dealers and stuff like that. And yeah, you could go to any local shop and have a guy set it up for you because you can have your Roush stuff shipped to you wherever you want to go. But then I stumbled across, or wherever you want to take it to have it put on your car. But then I stumbled across this page on the Roush website. And the only thing it says is Speed Shop as the title of the page. And so it says at the Roush Speed Shop, you can have your vehicle upgraded with parts from the extensive Roush Performance catalog. So, I've been talking to my wife, telling her about this stuff, and I'm like, I'm getting a Roush, I'm getting a Roush, I'm getting a Roush, all this stuff. And I'm thinking, okay, so, I can go to the Roush dealer. Let's fly to Michigan. Let's buy a 2018 Roush. Let's fly to Michigan or 17, fly it out to Michigan or buy one there new or almost new and have these guys do all the stuff. Give me the supercharger, give me the body kit, give me the suspension, give me the full meal deal plus more, right? And what does it say? They say Roush Performance typically needs a minimum of a 2-week lead time to book any install. All right, so good to know. And they say that right off the jump. Why? Because guys like me come over here excited, ready to pull the trigger today. And so they say put the brakes on right away. We need some time, right? This is to ensure that they got all the parts and everything so your car's not sitting there waiting for parts, right? This does not mean that Roush Performance is always open for installs within 2 weeks from your time, right? However, install booking is on a first come first served basis, right? You better get in, right? Get in. Have that desired outfit, your Mustang, F-150, Focus. Oh, yeah, right, that's right. They do the Focus. All in Roush parts, but can't make the trip to Michigan. Roush Performance also has an array of authorized Roush Performance parts dealers. Yep, there's one not too far from me. Already looked it up because you can go to their website. I can't remember where it is. Somewhere I'm on their website. Somewhere on their website, they should have a link. There it is, the dealer locator. It'll take you over there, and you can put in your zip, and it'll give you a dealer within X amount of mile radius of you. So that's pretty cool. So they do all the stuff. They do the graphics, right? They do the custom engines. They do their crate engines and all that stuff. So anything you want done, looks like they'll do it for you. And I just think that's really exciting. They give you all their pertinent information. And then I think they have all this stuff's always at the bottom of their footer. I just thought this was really fun. There's not a whole bunch to share on the page. I'm just really loving all these things Roush, and I just want to share it with you and other guys that are feeling it just like me and want to share it with other people besides their spouse who only want to hear it so much. So the Roush Speed Shop, pretty cool. I'm going to put a link up to this piece over here so you can read about this as well. Thanks for joining me. If you found this helpful or just fun or just a nice break, like, share, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.